Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music to Instagram post. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on the plus icon in the bottom and then you need to select any photo from your gallery. Click on next and then you need to click on next again. So this is the video, so let me select a picture to demonstrate that. So I'm going to select this picture. Okay, click on next, click on next again, and here you can see the option of add music. Click on that and you can select any music. So I'm going to select this one, and here you can see that. Then you need to click on tick mark on the top right, and then you need to click on tick mark again and post that. So now you can see that this is now posting on my Instagram. So this is a process by which you can add music to any post on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.